In the heart of a dense forest, a rabbit named Lily lived with her two kits. Lily was a loving mother who cared for her little ones with all her heart. One sunny day, Lily decided to take her kits on a short trip to explore the forest and teach them survival skills.
The little family set off on their journey, hopping among the trees and sneaking through the grass. Lily was alert to every movement around her, warning her kits of dangers and teaching them how to distinguish between good and bad food.
They reached a small pond and drank refreshing sips from it. Suddenly, they heard a roar coming from behind the trees. Lily was afraid for her kits, but she acted wisely. She ordered them to hide behind a large tree while she went to check the source of the sound. Behind the trees, Lily discovered a small fox threatening her kits. With great courage, Lily attacked the snake and managed to drive it away. Lily returned to her kits happily, overjoyed at her ability to protect them. The little family continued their journey, and Lily's kits learned a lot of skills during that day. They learned how to search for food, how to hide from predators, and how to work together as a team. The little family continued their journey, and Lily's kits learned a lot of skills during that day. They learned how to search for food, how to hide from predators, and how to work together as a team. At the end of the day, the family returned to their warm burrow, their hearts full of warmth, happy about the adventure they had together. The kits slept in their mother's arms, while Lily stayed awake watching over them with love, proud of herself and her children.